Okay guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how you can design a logo for your business or your brand. It's very simple. Okay, a customized logo for yourself. You can also start designing to earn money. Okay, now to do that you need to download this app called Logo Maker. The Logo Maker app on your Play Store or iOS. Okay, Logo Maker, click to open and allow it to load. You know, once it comes with a lot of symbols, a lot that you can use as a background. Okay, and sometimes all these ads will keep playing, or you allow them to play down and close them. Now you have a lot, so you can see a lot of them, a lot of images that you can use as icons, customize them. Okay, for example, I can decide to use, you can see a lot of them, a lot. Okay, very beautiful, so beautiful as you can see. Okay, so I can decide to go for this. You click on it, it can take you to any position of your choice. You can increase the size by clicking on this button. Okay, increase the size to what you want. Okay, you can rotate it. Okay with this. Okay, and this can be the image. And you can click on text and write the text. Okay, you can say MJ Beauty Home. Okay, and once you are done, click inside, click on the text. You can move up and down to change the font style. Okay, you can change the font style. You can also work on the size by scrolling up, down to select a particular size. Okay, and go with the size. You can move this down. Okay guys, you can also change the background. I decided to change this background to black. Okay, you can see how beautiful it is. We change it to black like this. I also decided to change this text. You just click on it, click here, change. Okay, click, change it. Okay, so changing the color. Changing the color of the text. Okay, so you can always change the color. Okay, you can do it this way, and you have your logo coming up already. Okay, see, you change the color of your text, decide color of your choice. Okay, well, I'll go with white. And you have it this way. Okay guys, isn't this beautiful? And you have your logo coming up already. So once you're done with this, you hit the save button. Image is saved successfully, and you can always go back to your device and access this logo. Okay guys, to do a recap, you can always go back. This is saved successfully. So I'm going to go off this completely. Go off this. I'll bring up the Logo Maker again. Okay. Select your image. Increase the size by dragging this. Okay. Click outside when you are done. Click on text. Bring it down. You type in the text of your choice. MJ eBooks. Type this. Click outside. Click inside. You can change the background like I said. Color. change it to whatever color you want to change it to. It depends on what you want. Okay, I'll go with this. Black will always give you something very beautiful and make your image to be sharp, or you can decide to use any color of your choice. And to change the text color, you can scroll down here, change the color, change the font of my text. Okay, you can see a very beautiful font style. Okay, then you just scroll, select this, you adjust it, and your logo is set. Okay guys, you can hit the save button and your image is saved. So guys, I believe that this is easy and you can do this yourself to earn money. You can also do this for your brand or your business. Okay guys, thank you.